In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effortlessly navigate the process of adding news functionality to your Wix website for a more dynamic and information-rich user experience. The first thing you have to do is to launch your website on the Wix editor. If you are already logged into your Wix account, simply navigate through your dashboard and open the website you'd like to edit. Once on your website, the robust Wix editor will display various tools and options for making changes to your site. To begin adding news to your website, you'll want to direct your attention to the App Market icon located on the left-hand toolbar. This icon usually harbors a bevy of useful applications and widgets to enhance the functionality of your website. And this is exactly where you'll find your news widget as well. Upon clicking the App Market icon, a search bar will surface at the top of the new window. Use this to your advantage by typing in news and initiating a search. You will then be greeted with a multitude of news-related applications and widgets. Popular choices amongst Wix website owners include AnyNews, various RSS feed apps, and many others. These applications fetch news from various sources and feed them into your website, thereby providing your users with relevant information and news updates within your website's niche. With all the options displayed, it's now up to you to select the app that aligns best with your needs. Once selected, you'll find an Add to Site button. Click on it. This feature will quickly and effortlessly integrate the chosen news application into your website. A new widget representing your selected application will now show up on your website's layout within the Wix editor. To position this widget appropriately, simply click, hold, and drag it to the desired location on your page. While there are many strategic places to position a news widget, bear in mind that its location can greatly influence user experience, so choose wisely. The final step requires you to customize the design and content of your newly added news widget. To accomplish this, click on the widget to bring up its settings. In this menu, you are granted the freedom to adjust the display settings, select the news sources to fetch from, and even categorize the type of news that you want to display on your website. This level of customization ensures that the news feeds align with the rest of the content on your website and appeal to your target audience. And just like that, you have successfully added a news segment to your Wix website. Not only have you enriched your website's features, but you've also made it a richer source of information for your users. A job well done.